Look at all the snow. Oh, zoom. Look at all the snow. No slobbering. You see all the snow? I like your hat. I like your hat. That's Mommy's hat. Or one of them. No school today? Because they're all snowed in. It's 12:30 p.m. right now. It started snowing like when we woke up. Well, I guess like around 9. And Grandma is coming home from work early. Let me see your hat again. Let me see your hat again. Lexi, you love me? You love me? You're supposed to turn around and say, yes, Mommy. Yes, Mother. Let me see. That's a good face. No slobbering.